Hello everyone, this is Jasionlight. We would like to introduce our microwave sensor and daylight sensor function LED ceiling light. You could set the sensor data and select the combination on the DIP switch to get your specific application. There are 4 kinds of settings you can set by yourself. Detection area, we set 100%, the longest distance is 6 meters. Hold time, we set 10 seconds. It will remain 100% illumination and keep 10 seconds. Daylight sensor, we set 15 lux. Corridor function, we set 13 seconds, and after the whole time, the lamp will change into corridor function at 30% illumination. Now let us show you. Now the environment illumination is less than 15 lux. Please turn on the switch. So the lamp works. At the first time, when no motion detected, the lamp will turn off after 10 seconds. Now the lamp detects motion, so it turns on. And the lamp will hold 10 seconds. If no motion detected, it will change into corridor function, the 30% illumination. After 30 seconds, if still no motion, it will turn off. And in the middle of the 30 seconds, if detect motion, it will return into 100% illumination. It is a real energy-saving lamp. Can be used in balcony, lobby, passageway, and washroom. It is widely used in this area. Thank you.